Today's video feature is how to present your best case when negotiating with an adjuster in a personal injury matter. Now, we've done videos earlier where we talk about being polite, respectful, and courteous when dealing with adjusters because it's just human nature. You're going to get a better response if you are that way versus if you're just a confrontational jerk. Also, it's not personal. It's not personal to you. It's not personal to the adjuster. It's simply negotiating, trying to get the best deal you can for your client. And if you're ugly or just a terrible person to deal with, that's only going to hurt your client. So again, be polite, courteous, and respectful. Now we're going to talk about how to present your best case scenario. Now, a lot of lawyers seem to think if we tell sad or sympathetic stories, that's going to be helpful. Actually, that's more appropriate when pleading your case to a jury. Certainly, those are very important aspects of the case, but I think a jury is the more proper venue and they will also be much more receptive. Always remember that an adjuster is a trained professional and they will distance themselves from emotion. So what do adjusters look at? Well, we look at the type of client that you have. Are they a good person? Are they a likable person? Most importantly, are they a believable person? Are they articulate in describing the accident and their injuries? Do they embellish their claim? Things like that. We also highlight whether or not our client has any prior claims history, any prior criminal record, any prior injuries to the body part affected here. Then we look at which county the case is being tried in. And I even look at whether they're going to hire a young lawyer or an older lawyer. Young lawyers are now working for flat rate fees, which allows insurance companies to control their legal defense costs. Older lawyers like myself will bill them by the hour. A typical personal injury auto accident case is going to be a 2 to 3 day trial plus prep. So I factor in about $10,000 if they're going to be hiring someone seasoned and more experienced. Now, once I've laid out that case, then we look at numbers. We get them to the highest number they're willing to offer voluntarily. Once I'm satisfied that we are at their maximum authority, then I sit down with the client and go over the numbers, go over their questions, certainly the pros and the cons, and then they make the decision on whether they want to go forward with trial or accept an offer after my advice and counsel. Now, I always remember that I work for you. You are the one who has to make the decision because it is your case and your life, and you know what is best for you and your family. I'm here to guide you, and I will certainly do that, but you remain in charge at all times. Now, I hope this video helps. If you have additional questions, my name is Robert Reeves. My mobile number, 704-351-7979, or email robert@rjrlaw.com.